Most benchtop planers feel like they are either flimsy toys or industrial monsters that take up half the garage. This blue unit from PioneerWorks sits in that interesting middle ground where it actually feels like it belongs in a serious hobbyist shop. Right out of the box, the first thing that hits you is the weight. At over 23 kilograms, it isn't exactly something you'll be tossing around, but that heft is actually a good sign. It means the frame isn't going to dance across your workbench the moment you feed a piece of hardwood through it. The motor is rated at 1250 watts, and honestly, it has a surprising amount of grunt. When you're pushing through oak or maple, you can hear the machine working, but it doesn't sound like it's struggling or about to give up the ghost. That 8,000 RPM blade speed keeps the finish clean, which saves a massive amount of time on sanding later. You know how some of these smaller machines leave those annoying snipe marks at the ends of your boards? This one handles the transition pretty well, though you still want to support your longer stock properly. What's really clever here is how they've managed the dust situation. Usually, these things turn a workshop into a snow globe of sawdust within 5 minutes. The port on the back is positioned perfectly to hook up to a standard shop vac, and it actually pulls the chips away before they have a chance to clog up the cutter head. It's a small detail, but it makes a world of difference when you're trying to keep your workspace clean. Now, it isn't perfect. The footprint is compact, which is great for saving space, but that also means you're limited on the width of the boards you can feed through. If you're planning on surfacing wide tabletops, you're going to run into a wall pretty quickly. Also, while the adjustments are precise, the knobs have a bit of a plastic feel that doesn't quite match the ruggedness of the steel body. It's a minor gripe, but it's there. Still, for someone who is tired of hand planing or just needs a reliable way to get boards to a consistent thickness without breaking the bank, this thing is a solid contender. It's straightforward, it's got enough power to handle the tough stuff, and it doesn't require a degree in engineering to set up. If you've got a smaller shop and you're looking for something that gets the job done without taking over your entire life, this is definitely worth a look. It's a workhorse that knows its lane and stays in it.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.